The IIG Rental Processing Enhancement, integrated with IIG Work Order Processing Enhancement, allows for breaking down inventories into parts which can later be rented. This has been made possible by partial disassembly type work orders. You just need to enter the rental item and the inventory which needs to be rented after the disassembly onto the rental sales order. Note the quantity of the item to be rented is 0. Set the rental start and end range. To be able to generate a work order, it is necessary to specify components on the kit specification screen into which the inventory will be disassembled. Once ready, proceed to generating the work order on the rental sales order screen. The partial disassembly type MFG transactions are empty. Add lines configured on the kit specification screen and release the documents. Once you release the kit assembly, the component for the inventory on the rental sales order screen will become 1 and you will be able to complete the rental order. Thank you for watching our video on partial disassembly processing from the rental line.